Meaning of foal.
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 Foal. A foal is a young horse or pony that is less than 1 year old. They can be described as energetic and playful, often exhibiting a curious nature as they explore their surroundings. Foals require special care and attention from their owners, as they are still developing both physically and mentally. Proper nutrition, exercise, and socialization are important for their growth and well-being. With the right care, foals can grow into strong, healthy adult horses that are capable of a wide range of activities, from riding and racing to working on farms or in other industries.